Welcome back, Epic Kids. Today we're going to be doing a very fun and simple activity. We're going to be making our own beads. It's a very simple recipe. All you're going to need is 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1.5 cups of cold water, a mixing bowl and something to mix with, and a skewer or a nail or something that you can poke through to make a hole in your bead before we cook it. Then after you've completed your beads, you're going to probably want to find yourself some paint, some acrylic paints. We've got some craft paints here to paint and decorate your beads, and then you can string them on your very own necklace. You're going to also need to have an oven and a cookie sheet. They're going to bake in the oven for about 2 to 3 hours at 195 degrees. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is mix up the dough to make the beads. So we're going to put in the 4 cups of flour. And then we're going to add the 1 cup of salt. And we're going to put in the water and stir at the same time. Okay, now we're going to mix it up. So let's take those away. And this is where it can get a little messy.
Messy.
And you can even get in there and knead it with your hands. So now that we've got it like that, let's take the spatula away. And we're going to get in there with our hands. And you're going to knead it. And mix all of those ingredients up. Mix it all up. Nope, you can't eat it. Well, I guess it wouldn't hurt you. There's nothing in it. It's just... Okay, we've got our dough all ready. So the boys are going to take pieces of dough and they're going to sculpt them into whatever shape of bead that they want. And then once you've got your bead sculpted, you're going to take your skewer or your nail or whatever you're going to use for the middle there and make a hole in your bead. So go ahead and make yourself some beads, guys.
Yeah.
What kind of bead are you going to make? Are you going to make a cat? Or a rabbit-shaped bead?
A worm-shaped bead.
A worm-shaped bead. Awesome.
Now that I use those, we'll put it in for 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, yes, now that our beads are all done, we're going to put them in the oven for 2 to 3 hours, so you just want to keep an eye on them. And then we will check back, and once they're done, then we can paint them. Now that our beads are all painted and dry, we can go ahead and string them on the string. There we go. Can you hold it up so we can see? Voila! All right, so that's another super fun craft that you guys can do at home. We hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more if you like it, and we'll see you next time.